create part 2 of the website. That is product page. So let's create a new file. Go to file, new file, then we'll name it product.html. It's product.html, product. So in the same folder. So save it in the same folder. Now go to your index.html and copy everything. Ctrl A, copy everything, then paste it in your product.html, then save. So I want to edit it here. So change the title to all products, autonomous store. Now I want to delete some items. So just follow what I'm doing. So featured products, you can see that one too. So we're deleting from products 5 down. You can see up to before the offer. So we deleted that. So I left with product 1, product 2, product 3, and 4. So this offer also, we delete it. So I left with, so delete testimonial also. So we'll delete brands. Look at brands. We'll delete only brand. I using brands. So delete that. So I left with the footer, then the featured category 1 to 5. So let's save. So you can see. So just follow the way I'm doing it. Now let's open it. So let's open our work with Chrome. So you can see what we have right now. We have the footer, we have the featured category, and we have the nav section. Okay, so you can see this div. So you can see where this div is. So this is the row. We'll delete it also. Hope you can see where I did it. So this div also, this featured category, let's delete it also. So I left with featured products and delete that space. So just follow the way I'm doing it. We're creating space, we're deleting that space, we'll refresh. So I left with just the footer and the featured products, that's all. We are deleting every other thing. So featured products 1 to 4, then the footer. So you can see. Now look at this div, the header. We are left with the header. So are you seeing the header? So delete that. We are deleting the header there. So delete the header. Delete this comment also. So delete also the feature products. Want to change the title. So after this, bring a div. Give it name of row. So inside this row, I'm going to bring h2, all products. So this page is for all products. Then bring select option, select. So inside the select, bring options. Just delete that. So inside these options, we have default sorting. So we want to bring sorting options so a customer can sort. So copy and duplicate. so that they can select their choice. Sort by price, sort by popularity, sort by rating, sort by sales. So refresh, you see the sorting button there. You can see different sorting options there. Okay, so let's add another class to that. So row 2. So come to CSS. So before the media query, so dot. So let's bring a comment. All products. So dot row 2, justify content, space between, margin 100 pixel, auto 50 pixel. So refresh your web page. You set the space between the sorting. You can see the space between. Now copy the select. Now under select, we'll give it a border of 1 pixel solid and that color code. The padding should be 5 pixel. So padding is our last space within. So within the box of the sorting, there's space. So for the row 2, we're talking about justify content, space between. So there's space between it. Now the select focus. The outline should be known. We don't want any outline. So you can see that when we follow our mouse around it, it's moving up, right? So let's go to our index.html so that we can copy some products and paste in our product.html. So this is our index.html. So the featured products, you can see those divs up to div 12. So close the div rather. Close the div. My div was not closed before. You can see small container was not closed. I added it before. It was not closed. So just close it. Okay. So close the div. So see that row. All these rows. Product 1 to 12. I'm going to copy it. So only products 1 to 12. The rows. So just follow the way I'm doing it. Exactly. So you can see feature products. You can see this 7, 8. So you can see this is the div for that row. Just check it very well. You see? Sorry, this is not it. So this row, div row, up till div row of 12. Please it. So don't copy the last div. You can see that last div is to close the container. So copy it and come to your product.html and paste it here. Then refresh your website. You can see that we've added more products to it. Alright. Okay, so we'll just change some things right now. So let's bring a div page button. So let's bring a span. I want to add some numbering, so duplicate so that they can go to another page. So span 1, span 2, 3, 4. So delete this last one so that customers can. Okay, this last one is for arrow. So refresh your website and you can see that an arrow beside those buttons, so customers can easily navigate to the next page. So copy this page button and come to your CSS. Now dot page BTN. Let's style it. So margin should be 0, then auto 80 pixel. So refresh your website. You can see the button is the space around it. Now the page between the span itself. So display should be inline block. The border is 1 pixel solid and that's color code. Margin left 10 pixel. Width 40 pixel, height 40 pixel. Then text align should be center. The line height should be 40 pixel. Cursor should be pointer. So please, for the part 3 of this video, to be in the video description so you can see the changes right now. There's space between the button and the center aligned, and the line height has been changed. So copy this page BTN span. So we want to add cover effect so that when we put our mouse around it, the color is going to change. So background should be this color code. Then the text color should be white. So hover your mouse around it and see. You can see the color, the text color is white, but when we hover our mouse around it, it's changed to that color code red. So you can see it now. So let's open this on smaller devices. So let's inspect and see if it's going to be responsive. So let's scroll down. You can see that it is responsive. It's displaying well. Look at the buttons. The images are well displayed. Alright, please, the part 3 will be in the video description. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Share this video to your loved ones and your friends. You can see the sorting page. You can see the menu icon and the rest. Thank you. See you in the next video.